Hello Goenkans, I'm your maths teacher. Students, today in this module, we are going to learn one more type of a fraction. That is an equivalent fraction. So let's begin. At the end of this video, students will be able to understand about the equivalent fractions and how to obtain the equivalent fraction of a given fraction. Students, look at the three gardens. They are of the same size. Let's look at the first one. In the first garden, only half of the garden is filled with the green grass. In the second one, 2/4 of the garden is filled with the green grass. And in the third one, 4/8 of the garden is filled with the green grass. Students, here 1/2, 2/4 and 4/8 all represent half part of the whole garden. So these fractions are called as the equivalent fractions. Therefore, students, fractions that show the same part of the whole are called equivalent fractions. Or we can say fractions that have different numerators and denominators but are equal to the same value are called as equivalent fractions. That is, 1/2 is equal to 2/4 is equal to 4/8. All these fractions are equivalent fractions. Students, let's see how to obtain equivalent fraction of a given fraction. We can obtain equivalent fraction of a given fraction by multiplying the numerator and denominator by the same number, or by dividing the numerator and the denominator by the same number. Let's see this with the help of an example. Find out the equivalent fraction of 2/5. So first of all, let's multiply the fraction 2/5 with the same number. That is 2 times 2 upon 5 times 2, which will be equal to 4 upon 10. Then again, multiply the fraction 2/5 by the same number, that is 3. So 2 times 3 upon 5 times 3, which will be equal to 6 upon 15. Students, here 4 upon 10 and 6 upon 15 are few equivalent fraction of the fraction 2/5. I hope students this is clear. Let's take one more example. We have the fraction 1 upon 2. So first of all, let's multiply the numerator and denominator with the number 2. So 1 times 2 upon 2 times 2, which will be equal to 2 times 4. Again multiply the numerator and the denominator with the same number. Let's take 3. So 1 times 3 upon 2 times 3, which will be equal to 3 times 6. So students, here 2 upon 4 and 3 upon 6 are few equivalent fractions of the fraction 1 upon 2. I hope students this is clear to you. Now students, I hope you can try question number 1 and question number 2 of exercise number 1, which is in your book on page number 67. Thank you very much.